Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we finding capital letter alphabets. First we finding A for apple. The next one is B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now we finding C for cat, C for cow. Now we finding C, and the next one is D for dog, D for doll. Now we finding D. Kids, now we finding D for dog, D for dog. The next one is E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, the next one is F for fish, F for fan. Now we finding G for God, and the next one is H for hand, and the next one is I for ice cream. Kids, now we finding J for jackfruit, J, and the next one is K for kite, K. The next one is L for lion. Now we finding L, and the next one is M for moon, and the next one is N for nose. Kids, the next one is O for orange. And now we finding P for penguin. Now we finding P. The next one is Q for queen. The next one is R for rose, and the next one is S for sun. Kids, the next one is T for tiger. And now we finding U for umbrella. The next one is V for van. Now we finding W for wolf. Kids, the next one is X for X-ray. Y. Now we finding Y for yolk, and the last one is Z for zoo, Z for zebra. School van, fish, duck, private car. Kids, today we learning capital letter alphabets. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.